Okay, before I go further, I'm looking at all of this, and this got two springs on it. Uh, it's a little bit different from what I've been seeing online on YouTube. So, like I said, this is a QT22. I don't got all the specs, but I'll figure out what it all is, exactly what this kind is. But at any rate, this is all one piece. The uh, the tire, it's not one piece. I mean, you could take it all in pieces. You probably can take this tire off of this piece, but look at this. Let me see what I can explain here. It's connected through this pulley here. Let me show you. I'm turning with my hand, with my foot. It's connected through that pulley. All of that's together. The shock, the seat thing goes down to that system, and you go over here. The motor. Let me see if you can see this. The motor, which is over there. I'm trying to get it the best I can. The motor is connected to this housing. That's the starter right there. It's connected to this housing going through there. So I got to figure out if I can get that motor out of there. Somehow still use this housing. I might have to cut it. I don't know. It looked like cast iron or some kind of metal, but so I can still use this pulley system. Now I don't need them parts in there because that goes to the kickstart, and of course once we put the electric motor on there, no kick starting. Period. So let's see what we can do.